question come and question will ask for I1, I2 and I3, just put this positive and negative sign. This is the entering point, this is the exiting point, plus minus. In the same way, entering point will be positive, this will be negative. In the same way, this will be entering point will be positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So second terminal is the negative. And this rule is applied in every electric circuits. Okay, now we will come to the equations. We will come to the first loop equation. I am considering the first terminal positive plus 2 I1. I1 is flowing over this loop, plus then it will come, we will come to here where resistance is 2 ohm, and 2 bracket I1 minus I2. I1 is superior in his house, so I1 will be, we will subtract the I2 from I1. Then in these 3 elements we have, so 3 elements we have in this equation. We will come to the second loop. In the same way, we will consider the first terminal. I have told you entering point will be positive, exiting point will be negative, plus minus. So second terminal will be always negative. Just consider negative. We calculations, all these tricks are applied. Free I2 is flowing over this loop. Free I2, 1 ohm whole in bracket. I2 is superior to I3, and through this resistor I2 will flow, I3 will also flow, but I2 will we will minus the I3 from I2. In the same way, we will come to this position and this resistors, and in the same way we will consider the first terminal. We are coming in this path, entering, and then here we are exiting negative terminal, plus 2 I2 minus I1. We are getting the second loop equation. Just see, okay. In the same way, in the third loop, we will consider the entering point positive, or else you could take the second terminal. If you are taking the second terminal, then the whole equation you will consider the second terminal. This will be negative, this again this will be negative, again this will be negative. As we are considering the first terminal, entering terminal, so entering terminal here we are considering the positive. And in the same way, plus 6 volt, and in the same way entering point plus 1 whole bracket. I3 will be superior in his house, I3 is superior in its loop, so I3 minus I2 multiplied with 1, and in the whole summation will be equals to 0. And this is the KVL equations. I have applied the KVL equations in all the 3 loops.